You know how some people will put a space before their punctuation marks? See you tomorrow, space, exclamation point. Do good, space, question mark? Well, turns out that's an actual linguistic phenomenon called the punctuation cushion, and it serves an important role softening the tone of a message. That's because in the same way that it feels more intense to end a text of the period, it's also more intense when the punctuation comes directly after the text. And this idea that punctuation is harsh is backed up by studies showing that punctuation visually disrupts your eye movement while you're reading, but it could also just be that you're socially conditioned into feeling a sense of finality when you see a punctuation mark. So, in order to come across as less threatening, a lot of Gen Z people are starting to cushion their messages by adding that extra space. And there are a few possible explanations for why we started doing this in the first place. For example, one theory is that iMessage automatically adds a space after predicting text, and we just kind of adopted that. But I also wonder whether the fact that we put a space before emoji has now influenced the way we treat punctuation as well. But this also might have partially come from bilingual speakers of French. The language has a feature called the espace fin ensécable, which is sort of a space that comes before high punctuation, like question marks and exclamation points. And indeed, we do see the modern punctuation cushion in English being used the most with those punctuation marks. Although maybe we just don't use other punctuation marks when we're texting as much.